I don't like them. Huh?
That's just, I don't like people. No, I like.
Yo, look at the M4. Ooh. There's usually nicer cars over here. But, oh! Lamborghini Urus over there. Yo. Are they? Anyways, we're gonna go scarf on in this like kind of like bar spot that I know. So yeah, peace out. Look at this beauty, man. Look at this Corvette. Look, 4 pipes out of it, man. God damn. Yo. Hey, yo, look at this guy. What the hell? Hey. And we're over here. Oh, sorry. She was speaking and I really interrupted. But I saw the guy on the skateboard. But real quick, we're over here basically. It's a real nice and chill spot where you can get some beers and stuff. And we're just trying to, I guess, see nice cars going through. It's yours going by, baby. You. Please, oh my god, that's a fucking super. Holy shit! Yeah, there's a Corvette. Oh! Drifted, buddy, drifted. Oh, go. It's green, bro. Oh. Damn, look at the M4 as well. So this is like a regular like petrol station over here where they just have like all the stuff. That's sick. Oh, holy shit, I didn't know there was a guy inside of it. Damn. Yeah, oh, I don't have my cards on me, do I? To get to that guy. Yeah, shit. And the Lamborghini. Oh. Holy shit. Why isn't that focusing, man? Oh my god, come on, camera, focus. Holy shit, they're having a rev off here. Oh, I see this guy go sideways. Is he gonna go? Yo, that was sick. Oh, that is sick. Yo, that's sick. Alright, man. Oh yeah, that's it. Go on, dollar, dude. This is literally Dominicans, bro. It's just Dominicans, like. There's a fucking 4x4. Ooh, nearly crashed. Where do you think he's going? And he's gone. Holy shit. Fuck. Whoa. Okay, I can't curse. Next up, Chris. Oh my god, you can still hear him, I'm pretty sure. Right, now we're gonna go get some beers, I presume. Man, what's this focus like? What's going on with my focus at the moment? I'm not really too sure. That was sick. Right, now we're gonna get some beers. Yeah. You think so?
100%.
And we're just over here, I mean, trying to find some cars because we were like drinking for the last like, what was it? Like last hour or so, we were just been drinking, trying to find some nice cars. Oh, there's a nice one there. Oof. Some car spotting at least. I'm trying to do something for you guys because I've no other ideas of what to make for the videos this time. So we're trying to find some nice cars, but I can't find any, and I'm not gonna lie. I found the Lamborghini, I think I got the video of that, but I haven't been able to find any more videos for that. That's it. Damn, look with the yellow calipers. Why is my yes. same. Go on, I'll do the same. Yo, that is sick. Holy fucking shit. Damn. Oh, that was a McLaren. ¿Eh?
Grabaste de frente,
¿Qué significa frente? Perdóname.
vamos a ver que venía lo grabaste.
Sí, no, él me vio de allá, aquí, él le dio la vuelta y me fue aquí.
Ah,
No, él sabía.
¿viste el tirito?
Uh-oh, he just crashed. Shit.
Punch. Que no la cebolla.
Honda Civic, yo. Gotcha. Tell her to rev it if she can. Damn. 350 cent. Please tell me he's gonna go. Please tell me, please give it. 350 cent. Hey yo. Man, what's going on? White people. Honda. Sí, pero un Lexus, sí, ey. ¿Le va a dar la vuelta también? ¿Tú crees que sí?
Los dos vienen para acá.
A los dos.
Lo hacen, ese para él.
Él lo hace.
Honda.
Mira.
Yo.
Él tira pejo.
Y no hay más, no. ¿Hay uno más? Otra Honda. Mira el McLaren ahí, mira ahí.
El vaina ahí.
Sí, pero muchacho, ¿y dónde tú vas?
Vamos para acá.
Diablo, pero...
Bárbaro.
Ahí.
Ahí.
Oye.
Ven, ven.